favorite Preeti.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Style with Preeti. I hope you all are doing great, all are safe and healthy. In today's video, I will show you some useful kitchen tips and hacks that will make your life easy, and working in the kitchen would be a great. So if you guys like the video, then please give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first tip is storing herbs and greens in a fridge for a long time. Clean your herbs but do not wash them before storing as moisture will cause them to rot. Also add a paper towel or tissue or any cotton cloth on the bottom and top of the container or storing box. Store your herbs loosely in that container. The paper towel which helps the herbs retain moisture in the dry environment of the refrigerator and keep too much oxygen from browning the leaves. Store that container in a refrigerator and it will keep them fresh for up to 2 weeks. You can also store green leafy vegetable like this. So the next tip is how to clean mixing blending jar. In this tip, I am going to show you how you can free easy clean your mixer jar without even touching the plate, because I know you make it hurt while cleaning the plate. It's just a magic of 2 minutes. You can normally use tap water for cleaning your jar, but if you grind it some greasy material like curd or malai for making butter, then use hot or warm water. I use it for making butter so it becomes so greasy. So first of all, fill the jar with a warm or hot water and add some drops of liquid dishwashing soap and then close the lid. Put it back on the base, give it a good spin of around 30 to 40 seconds, then take it out from the base and then open the jar. Wash the lid and empty the jar and wash it from normal tap water, and without even touching the plate or hurting yourself, you have cleaned your jar. A quick tip from my side, always clean your jar immediately after you make your beverages. In that way you don't have any deep cleaning of it. So this is how it looks. I didn't touch any of these plates and my jar was clean out. The next tip is prevent curry from splitting or curdling. First of all, good stirring required for making the batter of a kadhi. It will help to prevent kadhi from splitting. When you add batter in a kadhai or a pan, make sure that you continuously stirring it. Do not add salt in the beginning, it will cause the kadhi split. When kadhi was boiling, then slow down the flame and add salt. After this, too much stirring not required. It also prevents sticking kadhi at the bottom of the pan. Next tip is to prevent bhindi or okra from turning sticky and slimy. Always dry them completely before chopping. Avoid covering the pan while making bhindi because covering a dish while cooking make steam and increase moisture. Squeeze a half of lemon while frying the bhindi within 5 to 10 minutes by adding okra to the pan. In few minutes, it will make the bhindi to become non-stick. You can also use vinegar or dry mango powder called amchur in the place of lemon juice. Salt releases moisture or water, so it's important that you add salt towards the end of the cooking process. So if your bhindi always turns slimy, try out this tip. Next tip is how to make soft puris for a long time. Add a pinch of salt with white flour while making puri dough. Prepare puri dough with milk instead of water to make it more soft and fluffy. Keep the dough aside for some time, then make the puri like normally you make it. Fry your puri on a high flame, which also make it soft and fluffy for a long time. The next step is cleaning a wood chopping board. Sprinkle the salt on the surface of the board. Scrub the salt down each side of the chopping board using the lemon with the fleshy side down. Let the salt and lemon solution sit for approximately 5 minutes. Finally, rinse the board and dry it. It removes all the bad smell and odor from the board. Next tip is flavor paneer dishes. Add kasuri methi while making gravy of any paneer dishes. It gives an amazing flavor to the dish. It's always a secret of any restaurant, so now you know. Next tip is how to prevent milk from sticking the bottom and boiling over. So first of all, before you pour the milk inside the steel vessel, rinse the inside of it thoroughly under cold running and potable water. The cold water will act as an anti-burning protective layer. Rinse the water out from the vessel but do not dry it. Let about 1 to 2 tablespoons cold water stay inside the vessel and then add the milk to it. Always put the milk in the heavy bottomed pan and turn the medium heat on. When your milk was boiling, keep a wooden spoon over the pan. The wooden spoon acts as a security valve. Even if the milk boils and foams up, it does not spill over. This trick also works on boiling dal or any other lentils. So try this out. The next tip is use lemon to keep a fresh and clean refrigerator. Just cut the lemon into slices and place it in the fridge. It will create a pleasant fragrance. It will soak up all unpleasant scents and bad odors and keep your fridge refreshed and smelling great. But the lemon has to be changed at least once in a week. Next tip is easy way to peel garlic. First of all, break the garlic into individual cloves. Then pour the hot water in a bowl. You simply submerge the garlic cloves in a bowl of hot water and let them sit for a few minutes. After a few minutes, you remove the cloves from the water and the skin should pop off more easily in your hands. If you needed extra help, then try using a knife to peel the skin. So peel them in a bulk at once and store the leftovers in the refrigerator for 1 week. It will make your cooking easy, so try this out. So guys, these are all my tips and tricks. If you enjoyed them, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So thank you for watching this video and I will see you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.